Hi, and welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this short video clip, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the meaning of difficult words, provide your students with an assistive technology support, and really make your lessons and content more accessible. Specifically, I'm going to show you the built-in dictionary tool within G Suite and Chrome, and how you can leverage that to help your students as they read or as they write on their device. So when students have access to a dictionary, research shows that it helps them unlock the meaning of difficult or unfamiliar words, and if they have the ability to use those resources, they are less likely to dismiss the reading. Where if they don't have access to that over time, they get frustrated, they don't understand what the words mean, and might just quit and give up reading altogether. So, having access to a dictionary is really helpful for all of our learners to keep them engaged and sustain their motivation to read and to continue doing their research. So, what's wonderful is that Google has built in some built in dictionary tools within its tools in its productivity suite or G Suite, as well as within the Chrome browser. So, the first thing I'm going to show you is the dictionary tool within G Suite products. So, this is in Slides, it's in Docs, it's in Sheets. I think it's also in Keep too. So, you have some options on where you can find this and use this. And if I am either creating or reading something that someone else has already written in any G Suite productivity tool, if I go to the Tools menu, let's highlight my word first. But if I go to Tools, there are some options here. If I use the Explore tab, that will give me a definition as well, but it just makes sense to, click dictionary. Explore will bring up web results also related to the word that I'm looking at. So as we see right here, I have a definition that comes up, and I can actually copy and paste that into my document if I want to. If I use the Explore tab, it also keeps the dictionary here, but if I want to use Tools and Explore, it will bring up a web search, but also shows me definitions, where I've used this term before as well. So you have some options here and how you can use that tool. All right, so that's the one that's built in within Docs and Slides and Sheets. If you are doing some research on the web, you can always just type in dictionary and Google can bring up a website. But if you're in the middle of reading something, you don't want to necessarily have to worry about doing that. There is an extension in Google Chrome, which means that it's an app that works in your Google Chrome browser that can help bring the Google Dictionary, and it's made by Google. So you can add it to your browser here. All right, so if you've added it, you'll see remove there because it's already part of your browser. And all of your extensions show up here. This does look a little bit different now that Google has updated to a different operating system. So if you don't see it right away, it might be hidden here because this means you have lots of extensions on your browser. So if I click here, then it shows me all the different ones I have added. And if I pin it, then it will keep it to where I can easily access it anytime I want. So if I Google something, and I'm reading an article about this, I can highlight the confusing word, and if I click my extension, it does a web search, and it will also say the word out loud to me. So those are some of the different ways that you can use a dictionary tool within G Suite and Google.